Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, today we will learn math subject. So take out your saffron textbook. So students, in our last period, we have learned how we can build up the numbers from 31 to 40. Yes, na students, we have learned how we can build up the numbers from 31 to 40. Okay, this we have learned yesterday and also we have solved the practice time 1. Okay, now students, for building numbers from 31 to 40, how many tens will require? 31 से लेके 40 तक नंबर्स बिल्डअप करने के लिए कितने टेंस लगेंगे? Yes, we need 3 tens. How many? 3 tens, because it is of 30. Yes, no students? And 1 is for ones. And if you will take 32, then 2 will come on ones, then 3 ones, then 4 ones, 5 ones. Okay, like this we can form or build up the numbers from 31 till 40. Okay, yesterday we have formed the numbers. Now we will do the practice time. My practice time 2. Question 1. Complete the numbers from 31 to 40. Okay, so here you can see the blanks. Yes, you have to start from 31. Okay, and fill the missing numbers. What comes after 31? 32. Very good. After 32? 33. How you will read this 33 in tens and ones? 3 tens and how many ones? Yes, 3 ones, 33. Then 34. Don't write anything in the textbook. Pay attention first here. 34. Then 35. 3 tens, 5 ones, 35. Okay. Next, after 35 what comes? Very good. 36. Okay. Then after 36 what comes? Yes, 3 tens, 7 ones become 37. Okay. Then 38. Very good. Then 39 and 40, 40. Very good. Right. Now complete in the textbook. Page number 120. Come on, do it fast, children. Page 120. Question 1. Okay. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Do it fast. Write properly numbers. Finish, children? Next, question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Okay, what they have asked, children? They have already given here numbers. You have to write that how many tens are there and how many ones are there. Okay, now here 32 is there. In 32, how many tens and how many ones? Yes, see, 3 tens, 2 ones, 32. Okay, if you can't do directly from here, you can write here aside and you can just divide in ones and tens. Okay, this 35. Okay, divide this in ones and tens. Ones place where it will come, on which side of your hand? Right side. Tens, left hand. Okay, then how many tens? 3. And how many ones? 5. Okay, got it? In this way. Directly also you can do, or else you can write by side and you can divide and write. 3, 39. So 3 tens, 9 ones become 39. Okay, right. Write fast. Come on, do it fast. Okay, next D. 4040. Okay, you write this first. Let me see who will do correct. See, directly also you can do there only, or else write the number aside. Divide in ones and tens. Now write tens and ones. Okay, so I will solve. Wait now. 4040. Now how many tens and how many ones? Yes, 4 tens and 0 ones. Okay, you also wrote same way. Very good, children. Okay, very good. Now next 37. 3 tens, 7 ones. Right. Do it fast. Finish? Okay. Next, question number 3. Draw beads to represent given numbers on the abacus. You can see the abacus. Okay. You know already what is abacus. Yes, they have given the numbers. You have to just draw the beads on the proper place. Okay. Now we are 37 is there. What? 37. So I will write here first aside. You don't write in the textbook. This is only for your understanding. Okay. Pay attention. 37 divide in ones, tens. Okay. Now on ones place which number is there? 7. So draw your 7 beads. Okay. First pay attention, then afterwards you can do. पहले यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, फिर बाद में करना है. Okay. 7 done. Now on tens place which number is there? 3. So 3 dots. Okay. In this way you have to represent the given number. Come on, draw. Draw the beads properly as much as given or they have asked to do. Be fast, children. Finish. On ones place 7 beads, on tens place 3 beads. Finish. Okay, next. 3, 9, 39. Okay. Now on ones place which number is there? 9. So 9 beads. Okay. And on tens place which number is there? 3. So 3 beads. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here 3. Okay, like this. Next, 35. Okay, divide first. Ones, tens. Ones place which number? 5. So draw 5 beads. and on tens place 3. Okay, so if you are able to do directly by seeing the numbers, you can draw, or else just wait a minute students, wait for a minute. Okay, from number also you can draw the bits directly, or else for your understanding you can divide and draw. Okay, come on, draw now beats 39 and 35. Do it fast. 39 and 35. Finish. Next, question 4. Write the number names of the following numbers. Okay, already they have given the numbers, you have to write the number names, spelling of that. Okay, now 3, 3, 33. Very good. What is the spelling? THIRTY, 30, THREE, 33. Okay, next 3, 1, 31. Spelling THIRTY, 30, ONE, 31. Okay, write these two spellings first. चलो जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. You have to write fast, but don't do mistake, spelling mistake. Finish. Next, 3, 6. What it becomes? 36. Very good students. THIRTY, 30, SIX, 36. Okay, next 3, 7, 37. Okay, THIRTY, 30, SEVEN, 7, 37. Okay, right. 36 and 37. See students, from 31 to 40, which is this common spelling? Common spelling कौन सा है? 31 से लेके 39 तक. Okay, not 40, 39 तक. जैसे हमने 21 से लेके 29 तक कॉमन स्पेलिंग ढूंढी थी, है ना, फाइंड आउट किया था. कौन सा था कॉमन स्पेलिंग? 20. यस, TWENTY, 20. वैसे यहाँ पे कौन सा है? which is the common spelling over here from 31 to 39? Yes, 30 is the common spelling. THIRTY, 30. Just we have to go on adding 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, 3, 5, 35. Okay. Common spelling THIRTY, 30, FIVE, 5. Okay, right. And next 40, what? Come on, write. Spelling also you have to write there. Be fast. Finish. 35. And what is this 40? Yes, 40. Spelling FORTY, 40. Okay, right. Come on, be fast, children. Finish. So we have completed here practice time 2. Okay, numbers also we have wrote, number names also we have written. Okay, abacus also we have solved, tens and ones, all these things we have solved in practice time. Okay, now next concept. Okay, pay attention. Now fold your hands, keep that pencil and all aside now. Next is how to build up numbers from 41 to 50. अभी हम क्या लर्न करेंगे? 41 से लेके 50 तक नंबर्स कैसे बिल्ड होते हैं. ओके, हाउ मेनी टेंस आर देयर एंड हाउ मेनी ones are there. Okay, so see students, I have shown you till now by adding the beads on a ring. Okay, अब तक मैंने आपको ऐसे beads ऐड करके रिंग बना के ये आपको सब सिखाया. Okay, same will be for 40, that is 41. Okay, same होता है 41 से लेके 50 तक. Okay, now see here. Count the sticks and write the number names. Also write the numbers. See, one bundle you can see of how many? एक बंडल कितने का होता है? 10 का होता है ना? जब 10 ones हम ग्रुप बनाते हैं एक, तब ये क्या होता है? 110 होता है. ओके, दिस इज group of 10 ones. So this is called one group. It's called 110. Okay. Now this 110, इसमें कितने ones हैं? 10 ones है. जब हम 10 ones इकट्ठा करते हैं, ग्रुप बनाते हैं, तब कितने ग्रुप होते हैं? एक ही ग्रुप होता है. तो वो एक ग्रुप को हम क्या बोलते हैं? 110. ओके, नाउ दिस 110, one more 110, how much? 110, one more 110, 2 tens. Okay, so 2 tens. Now one more 10 is there. Okay, already 2. One more, how many? 3 tens. One more, 3 were there. One more 10. 4 tens. How many they are? 4 tens. Okay, 4 tens यानी कितने स्टिक्स है टोटल? इसमें 10 है, इसमें 10 20, इसमें 10 30, इसमें 10 40. Total 40 sticks are there. Okay, and how many groups we have formed? 4 groups. That's why 4 tens. Okay, and here how many tens are there? How many 10? Is there any 10 over here? No. Why? Because here only one stick is there. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही स्टिक है, इसलिए हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? वंस बोलेंगे. ओके, टेंस कब फॉर्म होता है? जब ग्रुप बनता है तब फॉर्म होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ ग्रुप नहीं है, इसलिए वंस. सो 4 टेंस, 1 वंस मेक 41. हाउ मेनी? 41. Spelling also there, and they have wrote in tens and ones also. Okay, same. 4 tens. How many ones? 2 ones make 42. Okay, write in tens and ones. Understood? Next, 4 tens, 3 ones make 43. Okay, write this too. Come on, be fast. Next, now you read, students. How many tens? Okay, and how many ones? Good. 4 tens, 4 ones make how much? Yes? 44. Very good. Understood? Next, 4 tens, 5 ones make 45. Got it? Next, 4 tens, 6 ones make 46. Okay, write from 44 till 46. See students, whenever I am teaching or explaining, you have to pay full attention, proper attention. Okay, when I am writing, you also don't write in the textbook. I will give you time for writing, that time only you have to write. Otherwise, you have to pay full attention on the screen. 4 tens, 4 ones, 44. 4 tens, 5 ones, 45. 4 tens, 6 ones, 46. Next, 4 tens, how many ones? 7. Good. So, 47. Write this, 47. Be fast. Finish. Turn the page. Turn the page, children. See which number, how many tens and how many ones you can see. Form the number and write. How many tens? 4. And how many ones? 8. So, 48. Good. Next, 4 tens, 9 ones, 49. Okay. Now, how many tens are there, children? Count it. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more 10 is there. और एक ग्रुप है, तो कितने हो गए टोटल अभी? 4 were there. One more. How much now? 5. Okay. Now I will write here 5. Can you see any ones? Ones यहाँ पे कुछ दिख रहा है? नहीं. Nothing means 0. So what it becomes? 5, 0, 50. Okay. Right. 48, 49, 50. Come on, be fast, children. Finish? Okay. Now, go to back page. Now, children, we will do reading of number names. Okay, from 41 to 50. Fold your hands. Say loudly. 4, 1, 41. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. O-N-E, 1. 4, 2, 42. There is no numbers. Okay, there are no numbers. Why? Because we have already completed this. Okay. 4, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. T-W-O-2, 42. 4, 3, 43. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. T-H-R-E-E, 3, 43. Okay, can you find out common spelling, students? Common spelling, can you find out? Which one? Like 20, 30, here which is the common spelling? Yes, it is 40. What? 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. So, from 41 till 49, common spelling 40, 40 you can write and just go on adding by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, 4, 4, 44. F-O-R-D-Y, 40. F-O-U-R, 4. 44. Fold your hands. Sit properly and say 4, 5, 45. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-I-V-E, 5. 45. 4, 6, 46. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. S-I-X, 6. 46. 4, 7, 47. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. S-E-V-E-N, 7, 47. Okay. Next, turn the page. 4, 8, 48. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 48. 4, 9, 49. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. N-I-N-E, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Very good. Clap your hands, everyone. Very nice. Okay. So, students, today what we have learned? Yes, we have learned how we can build up the numbers from 41 to 50. Okay. From 41 to 50 or like 49, how many tens are there, dear children? 4 tens, okay, and 1 ones, 2 ones, like that, go on by adding, okay, and for 50, 5 tens, very good. And also we have solved practice type 2. Further things we will see in the next period. Thank you.